Jeff Barlett, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Come Thou Fount Every Blessing, which is a hymn for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And this is probably going to be the easiest song you will ever learn on the acoustic guitar, because you're only going to need 3 chords, which is going to be a G, a C, you're going to go back to a G, and then to a D. And that's going to be the strumming pattern, by the way. And you're just going to do 4 downstrums on each chord. So we're going to start with G. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to D. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be like this. Come thou Fount of every blessing, tune his heart to thy grace. That's simple. That's the entire song. Going from G to C, G to D on 4 simple downstrums. And if you're new to playing the acoustic guitar, I'd like to congratulate you on learning one of the easiest songs you could ever play. If you're interested in learning other easy songs on the acoustic guitar, or learning hymns for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints on the acoustic guitar, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and God bless.